Hello, champions! Welcome to another exciting and interesting trimester. I hope your holiday was fun. This trimester, you will be learning a lot of interesting topics, and I promise you, you're going to learn a lot. The first interesting topic we'll be looking at this trimester is titled Elements in the periodic table. I'll come again. Elements in the periodic table. I'm going to be looking at the first 20th element. Next, what is an element? An element is a substance that cannot be broken down without changing the identity of the substance. I'll come again. An element is a substance that cannot be broken down without changing the identity of the substance. Next, we're going to see some facts about elements. Dmitry Ivanovich was a Russian chemist. He was the first to arrange the elements by their properties. In the year 1869, he developed the periodic table of elements. So Dmitry Ivanovich was the first Russian scientist to arrange elements in the periodic table in the year 1869. Next, elements are arranged by increasing atomic number in horizontal rows called periods. I'll come again. Elements are arranged by increasing atomic number in horizontal rows called period. Next fact about elements. The chemical properties of an element are determined by the number and arrangement of its electron. Come again. The chemical properties of an element are determined by the number and arrangement of its electrons. Next, this is a diagram of a periodic table, and our elements are arranged according to their increasing number. Now you need to know the first 20th element. 1. Hydrogen. 2. Helium. 3. Lithium. 4. Beryllium. 5. Boron. I'll come again. Hydrogen, first in the periodic table. Helium, second in the periodic table. Lithium is third in the periodic table. And 4. Beryllium is the fourth in the periodic table. And boron is fifth element in the periodic table. And the letters in the bracket represent each of their chemical symbols. The sixth element in the periodic table is carbon with chemical symbol C. Seventh element in the periodic table is nitrogen, chemical symbol N. Eighth element is oxygen, chemical symbol O. Ninth element in the periodic table is fluorine, which is chemical symbol F. And 10th element in the periodic table is neon, which is chemical symbol Ne. The 11th element in the periodic table is sodium with chemical symbol Na. 12th element in periodic table is magnesium with chemical symbol Mg. The 13th element in the periodic table is aluminium with chemical symbol Al. The 14th element in the periodic table is silicon with chemical symbol Si. 15th element in the periodic table is phosphorus with chemical symbol P. 16th element in the periodic table is sulfur with chemical symbol S. 17th element in the periodic table is chlorine with chemical symbol Cl. 18th element in the periodic table is argon with chemical symbol Ar. 19th element is potassium with chemical symbol K. And the 20th element in the periodic table is calcium with chemical symbol Ca. So these are the first 20th elements in the periodic table arranged according to the atomic increasing number. Next is a short video clip of element song. Have fun.
There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air with oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the sign, sodium for salty times,
magnesium,
aluminium, silicon,
phosphorus,
then sulfur, chlorine, and argon,
potassium,
and calcium so you'll grow strong. There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air with oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the sign, sodium for salty times,
magnesium,
aluminium, silicon,
phosphorus,
then sulfur, chlorine, and argon,
potassium,
and calcium so you'll grow strong.
Wow, it was an interesting video clip, right? And it has been a fun learning process, knowing about definition of elements and the first 20th element in the periodic table. And now it's time to say goodbye. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.